Healthy snacks to help you lose weight. The average, active woman needs to eat about 2,000 calories per day to maintain her weight and 1,500 calories per day to lose 1 pound of weight per week. And the average active man needs to eat about 2,500 calories per day to maintain his weight and 2,000 calories per day to lose 1 pound of weight per week. Here are healthy weight loss friendly snacks to add to your diet. The first is Greek yogurt and mixed berries. Plain Greek yogurt and berries make a delicious nutrient-dense snack. In addition to being a great source of calcium and potassium, Greek yogurt is also high in protein. Berries are one of the best sources of antioxidants around. Eat a mixture of differently colored berries to get an array of these powerful compounds. Combining 3.5 ounces of plain full-fat Greek yogurt with a half cup of mixed berries provides about 10 grams of protein and under 150 calories. The next healthy snack is apple slices with peanut butter. Apples and peanut butter taste fantastic together. Apples are high in fiber and polyphenol antioxidants that improve gut health and reduce heart disease risk. Peanut butter may have additional benefits for heart health. It has been shown to increase HDL good cholesterol and reduce LDL bad cholesterol and triglycerides. That said, peanut butter is fairly high in calories, although it generally hasn't been linked to weight gain. It's best consumed in moderation. A medium apple with 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter provides a nice balance of sweet flavor with crisp and creamy textures at under 200 calories. The next healthy snack is celery sticks with cream cheese. Celery sticks with cream cheese are a classic low-carb filling snack. Celery contains luteolin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and may help prevent cancer. 5 small celery sticks with 2 ounces of cream cheese harbors fewer than 200 calories. The next healthy snack is cottage cheese with flax seeds and cinnamon. Cottage cheese, flax seeds and cinnamon each have impressive health benefits. Together they're incredibly healthy. Cottage cheese is high in protein and very filling, and full fat varieties boast conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid linked to health benefits. Flax seeds are beneficial for weight loss and blood sugar control. They may also reduce breast cancer risk. Cinnamon helps lower blood sugar and may improve gut health. Here's an easy recipe that provides about 15 grams of protein with fewer than 150 calories. Cinnamon flax seed pudding. For this recipe, mix the following ingredients in a small bowl. Half a cup of cottage cheese. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Half a teaspoon cinnamon. A dash of stevia or other sweetener if desired. The next healthy snack is mixed nuts. Nuts are an ideal nutritious snack. They're linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and may help prevent certain cancers, depression, and other illnesses. Despite being relatively high in fat, they are very filling. Several studies suggest that eating nuts in moderation can help you lose weight. Nuts provide the perfect balance of healthy fat, protein, and fiber. They contain 180 calories in a 1-ounce serving, on average. The next healthy snack is red bell pepper with guacamole. Red bell peppers are extremely healthy. Although all bell peppers are nutritious, red varieties are particularly high in antioxidants like beta-carotene, capsanthin, and quercetin. They are also rich in C-in. 1 large red bell pepper contains over 300% of the daily value for this nutrient. Pairing 1 large red bell pepper with 3 ounces of guacamole adds healthy fat and fiber while keeping this snack's calorie count under 200. The next healthy snack is kale chips. Kale is incredibly healthy as it's loaded with fiber and antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol. These compounds decrease blood pressure and may reduce your risk of colon cancer. This easy recipe for kale chips provides about 150 calories. Kale chips. Ingredients: 1 cup of bite-sized kale leaves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Place kale pieces on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch them closely as they can easily burn. The next healthy snack is dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds make a rich, satisfying, and portable snack. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavonols that may lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease risk provided the chocolate contains at least 70% cocoa solids. Almonds are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fat and have beneficial effects on blood sugar control. Studies also show that they can reduce appetite and help you lose weight. Both dark chocolate and almonds are high in magnesium. 1 ounce of each provides about 300 calories in total. The next healthy snack is cucumber slices with hummus. Cucumber and hummus go well together. Cucumbers contain cucurbitacin E, a compound that may have anti-cancer effects. Hummus is made from chickpeas, olive oil and garlic, which reduce inflammation and may improve heart health. 1 cup of sliced cucumbers dipped in 3.5 ounces of hummus has about 180 calories. The next healthy snack is a piece of fruit. Healthy snacks don't need to be complicated. Just a single piece of fruit can be incredibly satisfying. Portable, easy-to-eat fruits include bananas, apples, pears, grapes, grapefruit, and oranges. The next healthy snack is cherry tomatoes with mozzarella. Tomatoes and mozzarella cheese are a flavor match made in heaven, and they're healthy too. Tomatoes are rich in C, potassium, and lycopene, an antioxidant that may reduce your risk of cancer and heart disease. Mozzarella is high in protein, calcium, and B12. It may also decrease heart disease risk by raising your levels of HDL good cholesterol. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes paired with 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese has under 200 calories. The next healthy snack is hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most weight loss-friendly foods you can eat. They pack plenty of protein as well as K2 and B12. Eggs are incredibly filling and may reduce the number of calories you eat for many hours, which should help you lose weight. Although their high cholesterol content gave them a bad reputation for years, more recent studies suggest that moderate egg intake doesn't have any effect on your risk of heart disease. 2 large, hard-boiled eggs contain about 140 calories and of protein. The next healthy snack is baby carrots with blue cheese dressing. Carrots are among the best sources of carotenoids, including beta-carotene, which your body can convert into A. The carotenoids in carrots may reduce your risk of cancer, heart disease, and cataracts. It's a good idea to pair carrots with a creamy salad dressing or dip because fat increases your absorption of carotenoids. A 3.5-ounce serving of baby carrots with 2 tablespoons of blue cheese dressing provides about 200 calories. The next healthy snack is a piece of cheese. Cheese is a delicious food that's filling enough to be a snack on its own. Although cheese is high in saturated fat, its role in heart disease is unclear. Some studies suggest that saturated fat doesn't raise your risk of heart disease. Studies show that up to 2 servings of cheese per day don't raise LDL bad cholesterol levels even in people with elevated levels. A 2-ounce serving of cheese provides about of protein and 200 calories. The next healthy snack is healthy beef jerky or beef sticks. Beef jerky or beef sticks make great high-protein portable snacks. Some jerkies are loaded with sugar and preservatives. Beef sticks generally don't contain sugar, but many are made from low-quality meat and contain other questionable ingredients. Look for jerky and beef sticks made from grass-fed beef with as few added ingredients as possible. Grass-fed beef contains more healthy omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed beef. The next healthy snack is whey protein shake. A whey protein shake is a good snack when you need something substantial until your next meal. Studies show that whey protein can help you gain muscle, lose fat, and improve body composition. Many great whey protein supplements are available online. Look for types without added sugar. Here's a recipe for a shake that contains about 150 to 200 calories and of protein depending on the type of protein powder used. Whey protein shake. 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk. 1 scoop of whey powder. A pinch of stevia or other healthy sweetener if desired. Half a cup of crushed ice. For this recipe, combine all ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. The next healthy snack is canned salmon or sardines. Canned fish is a fantastic healthy snack that requires no refrigeration. Salmon and sardines are extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids that decrease your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Fish is also a great source of weight loss-friendly protein, potassium, and B12. Many types of fish are also high in magnesium. A 3.5-ounce serving of salmon or sardines contains 130 to 180 calories. The next healthy snack is edamame. Edamame is a dish of steamed unripened soybeans. It's a great snack for vegetarians or anyone who enjoys the unique flavor and texture. Edamame is rich in the antioxidant kaempferol, which has been shown to cause weight loss and lower blood sugar in animal studies. It is also high in folate and several minerals including iron, magnesium, and manganese. 1 cup of edamame has around 17 grams of protein and 180 calories. The next healthy snack is marinated artichoke hearts. Marinated artichoke hearts are delicious and nutrient-dense. They're a good source of fiber K1 and folate. Studies suggest that artichokes help protect the cells lining your arteries and contain prebiotic fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A 3.5-ounce serving of artichoke hearts marinated in olive oil contains about 190 calories. The next healthy snack is pear slices with ricotta cheese. Pear slices and ricotta cheese make a satisfying snack with a sweet taste and creamy texture. Pears, especially the peels, contain polyphenol antioxidants that have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Ricotta cheese is rich in protein and calcium. In a 12-week study, older adults who consumed 7 ounces of ricotta cheese daily experienced improvements in muscle mass and strength. A 3.5-ounce serving of ricotta cheese with 1 small chopped pear provides about 250 calories. The next healthy snack is dried unsweetened coconut. Dried coconut is tasty, filling, and portable. It's high in fat, including medium-chain fats that may increase metabolism, promote weight loss, and improve brain function in people with impaired memory. Make sure to get the unsweetened type since many packaged options harbor sugar. Unsweetened dried coconut packs about 185 calories in 1 ounce. The next healthy snack is turkey roll-ups. Turkey roll-ups are delicious and nutritious. Turkey contains high-quality protein which helps you feel satisfied, preserves muscle mass, and burns more calories during digestion than fat or carbs. The recipe below boasts about 180 calories. Turkey roll-ups. Ingredients: 4 slices of turkey breast, 4 teaspoons of cream cheese, 4 pickles or cucumber strips. Place turkey breast slices on a large plate. Spread 1 teaspoon of cream cheese on each slice. Place a pickle or strip of cucumber on each turkey slice and roll up. The next healthy snack is olives. Olives are one of the nutritious staples of the Mediterranean diet. They are very high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and provide powerful antioxidants like oleuropein. The plant compounds in olives may reduce inflammation, insulin resistance, and cancer risk. Depending on their size, 25 green or black olives have 100 to 175 calories. The next healthy snack is spicy avocado. Avocados are among the most nutritious and satisfying foods on the planet. Studies show that they can help lower LDL bad cholesterol, improve symptoms of arthritis, and protect your skin from sun damage. What's more, avocados are high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and monounsaturated fat. Sprinkle half a medium avocado with salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for a savory, filling snack with around 130 calories. When your next craving hits, aim for whole foods instead of highly processed fattening options. Having some healthy and nutritious options in reach can stave off your appetite and help boost weight loss. Here are some of our top picks for snacks and weight loss. Eating a snack between meals helps curb your hunger so that you don't inhale your dinner when you finally sit down to eat a meal. Snacking can also help you get in all the nutrients you need. On the flip side, grazing all day, particularly on foods with little nutritional value, may result in eating too much. It's a great idea to make sure you have healthy options on hand and you are prepared when hunger strikes. You may think that calories are the most important thing for snacking when it comes to losing weight. But you can have 100 calories of jelly beans and not be satisfied at all. Versus eating 200 calories of nuts and dried fruit. That's not to say calories don't matter at all. But it's also important to choose a snack that delivers nutrition and fills you up. All of our weight loss meal plans allow for 2 snacks a day, and on the 1,500 calorie meal plans, each snack is around 200. The biggest problem with nighttime snacks is most of us typically reach for ice cream and chips, not fruit and yogurt. That's not to say you can't have a treat after dinner. Here are some great snacks, healthy weight loss. Number 1 is almonds. Nuts are a great healthy snack. And even though they're high in fat, you don't need to avoid them if you're trying to lose weight. Plus, almonds deliver filling fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Almonds help keep hunger at bay, improve your heart health, and may even help you lose belly fat. Grab a handful, eat them with some dried fruit and dark chocolate, or spread some almond butter on an apple. A serving of almonds, 1 ounce or 23 almonds, has 164 calories. The second is grapefruit. You don't need to go on a grapefruit diet to reap the health benefits of this ruby fruit. A whole grapefruit has about 100 calories. It delivers 100% of women's vitamin C needs for the day. That's a lot of nutrition packed into this tart citrus fruit. One study found that when people simply ate grapefruit with each meal, they lost up to 3.5 pounds over 3 months. Grapefruit may help manage appetite by lowering insulin levels. The third is chickpeas. Keep chickpeas in the pantry. They have a meaty texture and a nutty flavor along with plenty of satiating fiber and a little protein, perfect when you're watching your weight. Try roasting them for a crunchy snack that packs up easily. A half a cup of chickpeas has about 100 calories. The fourth is grapes. Toss grapes in the freezer for an easy snack. Because they're sweet and you savor them individually and slowly, you'll get a lot of satisfaction for just a handful of calories. Even though grapes are high in sugar for fruit, they are a great way to naturally satisfy your sweet tooth. 1 cup of grapes has about 100 calories. The fifth is chocolate. Losing weight doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. Believe it or not, giving yourself little treats may be the secret to losing weight for good. Aiming to be too good sets you up to fail and doesn't allow you to fully enjoy your foods. If you like a glass of wine with dinner, make room for it. Prefer dessert, skip the drink and go for a small chocolate treat instead. The sixth is popcorn. Popcorn is high in fiber and even delivers a little protein. A 1-ounce serving of air-popped popcorn is about 110 calories. This combination makes it a snack with staying power. Popcorn is actually a whole grain and 3 cups is a huge serving, especially when you compare it to other crunchy salty snacks like chips. The seventh is yogurt. Yogurt with fruit delivers calcium and fiber plus protein and gut-healthy probiotics. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruit for natural sweetness and fiber. Flavored yogurt often delivers lots of added sugar and extra calories. Whole milk and low-fat plain yogurt are healthy choices too. If you're looking for even more of a protein boost in your yogurt snack, Greek yogurt has almost double the protein compared to regular. Number 8 is hummus. Try cut up veggies and some hummus. 1 serving of hummus is 2 tablespoons and paired with vegetables can help satisfy your hunger. Planning snacks that provide both complex carbohydrates and protein will help tide you over until dinner. Learn more about the health benefits of hummus. Number 9 is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carb, meaning it helps fill you up without spiking your blood sugar. Plus, it's a good source of fiber, and eating more fiber helps people lose weight and keep it off. While we think of it typically as breakfast, a small bowl of oats makes a hearty, filling and delicious snack. To make this snack more convenient, keep a packet or 2 of unsweetened instant oatmeal at your desk or make overnight oats in a mason jar. Number 10 is dried fruit. Dried fruit is a portable healthy snack. Eating fruit helps with weight loss because it's packed with filling fiber and important vitamins and minerals. Look for fruit with no sugar or sweeteners added and pair dried fruit with nuts for a snack with a balance of healthy carbs and protein. Snacks can absolutely fit in your diet if you're trying to lose weight. Having ideas for healthy snacks to pack for work? Snacks grab and go snacks. Store-bought snacks and snacks you can make yourself will help vary the nutrients you get and keep you from going hangry between meals. Subscribe for our next Thinking Outside the Box video.